How to make your e-learning more memorable? Making e-learning more memorable is an important goal to enhance learning outcomes and engage learners effectively. Use storytelling. Incorporate narratives and real-life scenarios into your e-learning content. Storytelling helps create an emotional connection with learners, making the content more relatable and memorable. Include interactive elements. Engage learners through interactive elements like quizzes, drag-and-drop exercises, simulations, and branching scenarios. Interactivity promotes active learning, keeps learners engaged, and improves information retention. Visualize information. Use visual aids such as images, infographics, videos, and diagrams to present information. Visuals enhance understanding, stimulate visual memory, and make complex concepts easier to grasp and recall. Break content into digestible chunks. Organize the e-learning content into smaller, manageable modules or sections. Breaking down information helps learners process and retain the content more effectively. Use headings, subheadings, bullet points, and summaries to highlight key points. Incorporate multimedia elements. Combine various media formats, such as audio, video, animations, video or audio assessment, video quizzes, and interactive slides to cater to different learning preferences. Multimedia elements provide multisensory experiences, which can enhance memory and engagement. Provide spaced repetition. Space out learning activities and review sessions over time to reinforce information retention. Spaced repetition helps learners consolidate knowledge by revisiting and reinforcing previously learned material at strategic intervals. Foster learner engagement and peer-to-peer learning. Encourage active participation and engagement by incorporating discussion forums and CHAR, virtual collaboration tools, and gamification elements like leaderboards, badges, or rewards. Engaged learners are more likely to remember and apply what they have learned. Offer real-world applications. Connect the e-learning content to real-world scenarios, examples, or case studies. Demonstrating practical applications helps learners see the relevance of the material, making it more memorable and motivating them to apply their knowledge. Provide opportunities for reflection. Include reflection activities or prompts that encourage learners to think critically and apply the learned concepts to their own experiences. Reflection promotes deeper understanding and improves long-term memory retention. Assess and provide feedback. Regularly assess learners' understanding through quizzes, assessments, or assignments. Provide timely and constructive feedback to reinforce learning, correct misconceptions, and enhance retention. Remember that each learner is unique, so it's important to consider their diverse needs, learning preferences, and prior knowledge when designing e-learning experiences. By employing these strategies, you can create memorable e-learning courses that foster engagement, retention, and application of knowledge.